Hello, how are you doing? You're welcome to my channel. So today I want to share this little project with my viewers. Then I invite you to join me. So the project I have right now is that if you look at this place I'm sitting right now, this is my writing table. It is on this table that I do most of my jobs. I have my laptop here and I have my tablet here. I used to have a monitor standing here, and this place you can see, this is where I normally have my keyboard here if I want to write something on the. At that time I was having the desktop computer. My desktop computer is here. I don't use it anymore because I'm now using a laptop. So there was need for me to have the kind of light that is not going to stand on the table. So that was what prompted me to buy this kind of flexible lamp that is attached at the edge of this writing desk. So this light you see right here, I bought this light so many years ago, and actually it has served its purpose. It is supposed to be thrown away. But yeah, call me a conservative person. Yeah, that is true, I am. But at the same time, we have to respect the environment. We have to preserve the environment. We have to treat it nicely. We don't have to throw our clothes, our shoes all the time. I believe it's not because of other things, not because of the financial benefits. It's just that there is things that are really things that need to be done. To preserve the environment in which we are living in is something obligatory. We have to do it. We have to preserve this environment, and then make sure that we keep it safe for the future generations. So throwing everything into the environment, the earth itself is not a dustbin. So what I advise myself to do is that I can be able to see that though this light have served its purpose, it has been broken so many times, I fix it, and what normally gets broken is nothing except the tube. So when I buy the tube, there is exactly the number of hours that it is supposed to last before it's now off. So once that number of hours, it is specified on the package where this one came, it will tell me the number of hours that this is going to light after that. But that number of hours stretches into years. It's so many hours, so many thousands. So each time it is it expires, and then the light starts to blink. I just go to the hardware store, I buy another one for replacement, I install it, and then it became functional again. So the purpose for buying this kind of installation that enables me to have a space on my writing table is quite obvious, because I needed some space so that at that time that I was having a monitor standing here, my other paperwork and some other things I'm doing, I don't need a lamp that is standing on the table. I need to shift it here and there. No, I needed a lamp that is away, and then at the same time remote. Yeah, it will be remote functioning, like this one is hanging in the air, which is very beautiful. And sometimes this is it, like you can see, this is how it came. So this one was attached this way. So when I put it on, this is the button. I press the button on, the light comes. Then it was normally this way, and then I can bend it down. I can remove it. If I don't want the light straight to my face, I can bend it this way. I can bend it. It is quite flexible. Sometimes I use it like I will face it to the wall, and then the bright light will reflect on the white wall, and then it will illuminate the whole place and makes the parlor very beautiful. So, and you can also see this is the middle part of it. What you are looking at here is a magnifying glass. So this magnifying glass also was very helpful to me when I'm doing some kind of some tiny projects. If I'm working something that is very tiny, I needed to see it enlarged. So this magnifying lamp glass was very helpful to me. So what I needed to do was, the way it was installed, I will push it all the way down, and then raise it to the level where the job I'm doing is much clearer, then it stays that way, and it was very helpful to me. I love this lamp. I wish I could buy it again, but sadly I was told that this particular lamp tube is no longer in production. They don't have it anymore, and they cannot order it on my behalf. So I was told that it's finished. So because right now they have replaced all this technology, they have replaced it with the LED type. So the LED is what is running now. So, and I went to the store to see if I can have some kind of LED light that is similar to this kind of system that I have now. It was difficult. I couldn't even find it. The way the other ones I find was not very durable. They are not going to last. So apart from the installation design that is not as strong as this, I still have to, if I have to have something like this, it still have to sit on my table. But this one, I still want to see what I can do about this. So that explains why I have not thrown it away. I want to share with my viewers what I can do, or how we can get along to see that we reinstall this kind of light. The most important thing might not even be this magnifying glass or this tube. The important thing for me right now is to have the kind of light fixture that will be installed here, that will remain the way it is, being removed from the tables, so that I can be able to use the light without it occupying the space on the writing desk here. So that is the idea of what I'm trying to do right now. So I am, between now and next week, and as time goes on, I'm going to be going to some places to see if I can have a solution to that, and I want to take my viewers along with me so that we can share on how this issue will be resolved. Thank you for watching, and God bless.